News turns to Jeddah. According to our bureau chief, Saba News, Saudi Arabia Amin Faiz conducting soft launch event of Made in Pakistan exhibition and business forum to promote Pakistani products and international trade. The soft launch ceremony of Made in Pakistan exhibition and business forum was held yesterday at Kirbana Yacht Restaurant, Upper North Jeddah, ushering in a new era for promoting Pakistani products and international trade. The event was a huge success with a large number of Saudi and Pakistani media representatives attending. The media representatives were excited to know about the upcoming event. They were briefed on objectives of the event, which include promoting Pakistani industries, promoting international trade, and establishing long-lasting business relationships. Speaking to the media at the event, Consul General of Pakistan, Jeddah Khalid Majid, said, Made in Pakistan Exhibition and Business Forum is a historic initiative of the Ministry of Commerce, Government of Pakistan, which will help promote Pakistani products and services globally. We believe this platform will not only showcase the best of Pakistan, but also provide a unique opportunity for businesses to connect, collaborate, and grow. Briefing the participants, trade and investment, a wide range of Pakistani products including textiles, light engineering, equipment, sports equipment, medical and surgical equipment and food products will be presented at the exhibition and business forum. Said Ms. Sadia Khan, event to connect Pakistani businesses will also provide a platform for Made in Pakistan exhibition and business forum to be held in Jeddah International Exhibition and Culture Center from February 5, 2025 to February 7, 2025. The event is expected to attract a large number of visitors, and participants will attract and provide a unique opportunity for Pakistani businesses to establish their foothold in the Saudi market.
Pakistan would inshallah be a display here, and we have high hopes from the success of this event. Trade potential, particularly between Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.